How are we doing, you wonderful people? My name is Jay, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new SMOK Novo 2 pod system. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell. That way you guys will receive all the channel notifications and you can keep up to date with all the latest videos. But now that's out of the way, let's get into the video. SMOK have had a huge year when it comes to pod systems. Firstly, they released the Novo 1 pod system, and over here in the UK, people didn't really take to it as much as SMOK originally thought they would. So they ended up slowing down production to focus on more products. SMOK then released the Nord pod system, and that swept the entire globe by storm. And it was very quickly the most popular and the best selling pod system in the industry so far. Off the back of the Nord success, SMOK have now released the Novo 2 pod system. And in today's video, we're going to be going over what SMOK have done to revive the Novo series. In your box, you will have the Novo 2, a single mesh 1 ohm resistance pod, a single mouth to lung 1.4 resistance pod, and your charging cable. Now, the first thing that I noticed about the Novo 2 is the size of the device. The Novo 2 kit is so small and fits nicely in the hand, meaning it's easy to carry around and doesn't take up any pocket space. The Novo 2 kit also has no buttons on the device, meaning it solely relies on drawer activation to vape. Some vapors will love this feature and some vapors won't. Me personally, I really like a good drawer activation system because it helps make the device more sleek and discreet. I really like that SMOK have added a mesh pod straight in the box to really showcase the improvements that they have made from the Novo 1. Now, to remove your pod from your device, you simply pull the pod out, and to replace your pod, simply push your new pod into the device. The pods are refillable and also disposable, meaning you don't have to change your coil, you simply throw your pod away once it's burnt out. To fill your pods, you simply pull back on the rubber bung and fill with your e-liquid. A simple fill with no mess. The Novo 2 has an 800 mAh inbuilt battery and charges from its USB port located at the bottom of the device. With an 800 mAh inbuilt battery, this device is going to last you most of the day, as it only takes battery when you draw from the device, rather than having to constantly turn on and off your device like traditional pod systems. Now, one thing I really like about the Novo 2 is the convenience of the size and the drawer activation system. I find myself picking up the device and vaping straight away without thinking of turning it on and off like my other devices, which is something that I can get used to. But now you guys know the specs and the pods are already primed, how does the Novo 2 vape? I really like the mesh pod that comes with the Novo 2, as it allows you to vape this pod like a mouth to lung device, but also allows you to vape as a direct lung device. I found if I vaped this pod like a mouth to lung device, I was getting some great flavour and a good nicotine hit. However, if I needed more of a nicotine hit, using it as a direct lung device gave out even more flavour and more of a nicotine hit. Because this mesh pod is designed to take any juice and any inhale style, I feel like any vapor can pick this up and enjoy this device very easily. Overall, SMOK have released a fantastic pod system which is not the Nord and has a lot of other elements from other pod systems built in to make it a unique SMOK product. The Novo 2 has a great battery, it's sleek, it's small, and it also vapes great. So if you're looking to make the switch from smoking to vaping, then I would highly recommend the Novo 2 kit. And if you already vape, then it is a must-have for your collection. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think SMOK are using the Nord success to push more pod systems? Or do you genuinely think SMOK have learnt from their mistakes from the Novo 1 and they've put them into a new device? Leave a comment down below. I love talking to you guys and hearing what you guys have to say. Now, if you do want to grab yourself a SMOK Novo 2 kit, there is a link in the description, so feel free to check that out. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to leave a like. And if you want to grab yourself some Click Apparel merch, there is a discount code on the screen and a link in the description, so feel free to check that out. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.